So the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio of 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total number of students? Let the number of girls. The number of girls is equals to x. Let the number of boys is equals to y. Number of girls equals to number of boys equals to y. Okay. Next, the ratio of girls to boys. Sorry, ratio of boys to girls. Ratio of boys to girls is equals to how much? Boys to girls 7:5. According to the question, what is given? According to the statement, the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Okay, according to statement, the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So according to statement, the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So means number of boys is, what to take? Y is equals to how much? I have to write x plus 8. Okay, x plus 8. Okay, x plus 8. Are you getting? Now we have to write in a ratio form. What is ratio form? Means, what is ratio form? What is the form of ratio? Means x by y is equals to girls by boys is, so boys by girls, y by x, sorry, y by x, girls to boys, boys to girls, so boys by girls x, 7:5. In the place of y, substitute this. In the place of y, substitute x plus 8. Okay. In the place of y, substitute y equals to x plus 8. Okay, then x plus 8 by x equals to 7/5. Cross multiplication. Then cross multiplication. Then 5 into x plus 8 is equals to 7 into x, that is 5x plus 5 is 40 is equals to 7x. Okay, I am writing, just changing this 5x plus 40. Why? Because what we need to find, it should be always on left side. That's why I am writing 7x here and 5x plus 40 that side. Just that is called as transposing. What is called as? It is called as transposing. I am transposing. Okay, I am transposing. Now let's send 5 here. It will be 7x minus 5x is equals to 40. 2x equals to 40. X is equals to 40 by 2. 2 ones are 2 20s are. Okay. Now go with x equals to 20. X equals to 20. What is the y value? Y equals to x plus 8. So y equals to 20 plus 8. So y equals to 28. X equals to 20. Y equals to 28. Y equals to 28. X equals to 20. Y equals to 28. Okay. 28. X equals 20, y equals to 28. Now we have to write here, therefore number of girls and number of boys is equals to, therefore number of boys is y is equals to 28, number of girls is equals to x is equals to 20. Okay, finished this. Next, next completed. Next one. అమ్మా మోటార్ వేస్తారా? So now welcome back to class 8 mathematics of a linear equation. Okay, in one variable. Exercise number 2.2, 11th question. Baichong's father is 26 years younger than Baichong's grandfather and 21 years older than Baichong. Okay, the sum of all the members is 135 members. Okay, let's take this. Let's take this. This is Baichong's father is 26 years. He is Baichong's father. Okay. How much he is? 26 years. Baichong's father is 26 years younger than Baichong. Okay. Younger than Baichong. Okay. Are you getting? Take this. A man he is here. Okay. Three people are there here. Okay, 3 people are there here. Baichong's father is 26 years younger than Baichong's grandfather and 21 years older than Baichong. Who is comparing here? Who is comparing? Baichong's father is comparing. So Baichong's father is comparing with his father and his son. This is Baichong. This is Baichong. Okay. This is Baichong's father. This is Baichong's father. Okay. Next, this is Baichong's grandfather. Baichong's grandfather. Okay, are you getting? Baichong's father is compared with his father and his son. Okay, now Baichong is here. Okay, Baichong's father is compared with Baichong and his father. Okay, Baichong's father is 20 years younger than grandfather and son. We don't know. Let us go with this. Baichong is X years. I am writing here. Baichong is X years. If Baichong is X years, what is his father age? 29 years older than Baichong. So Baichong's father is 29 years older. Older means pedda. Older means bigger. He was elder, bigger. So Baichong's father 29 years is older. Okay, that is X plus 29. Why? Because when Baichong born, his father is 29 years more. So that's why when Baichong is 1 X years, his father is X plus 29 years. If it is 1, Baichong is 1 year, his father is 1 plus 29. That is 30 years. Okay, that's why I am taking like this. Okay. Baichong. When Baichong is born, his age is X years, his father age is X plus 29. If his age is 1 year, his father age is 1 plus 29, 2 plus 29, like that. Okay. And Baichong father is 26 years younger than Baichong grandfather. Means Baichong's father is younger, means he is smaller than his father. Okay. Here Baichong father, Baichong grandfather. So Baichong father is younger means he is younger to his father. How many years? Means 26 years. 26 years. 26 years. Okay, are getting 26 years. Okay, 26 years. So now Baichong age is X, Baichong father X plus 9, Baichong grandfather is X plus 29 plus 26. Okay, 26. Okay, now X plus 55. So here Baichong is comparing with, only we have to take X variable. That's why when Baichong born, he is X years, his father is 29 years. Okay, more, and his grandfather is 55 years. Now they are giving that sum of all their ages is equals to 135 years. They given here. The sum of all their three members is 135 years. So what is that means? What is that means? X plus 55 plus X plus 29 plus X is equals to 135. 3X plus 70, 84 is equals to 135. 135. Let's compute here. 3x plus 84 is equals to 135. 3x is equals to 135 minus 84. 3x is equals to 5 minus 4 is 1. 13 minus 5 is 13 minus 8 is 5. X equals to 51 by 3. That is 3 table. 3 ones are 320, 1, 3 sevens are. X equals to 17 years. X equals to 17 years. Means age of Baichong. Okay. What is the present age? Present age of Baichong. Present age of Baichong. Present age of Baichong. X is equals to 17 years. Okay. Present age of Baichong father. Baichong father. X plus 29. That is 17 plus 29. That is 30, 40. 46 years. Next, present age of Baichong's grandfather. That is X plus 55. So X plus X means 17. 17 plus 55. 60, 72 years. 72 years. Okay. 72 years. Are you getting? Okay. Next. "15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is the present age?" Solution. He is Ravi. Okay. Let us say this is Ravi. Okay. Ravi's 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. 4 times of his present age. Ravi. Present age of Ravi. Okay. He is Ravi. Now, present age, okay, of Ravi. How many years? We don't know. Present age of Ravi equals to, we don't know, it will be like X years. Okay. We don't know Ravi present age, so he is X. Okay. 15 years from now. Now to 15 plus 15. Okay. Plus 15. Now Ravi. Now he is X years. After 15 years, like this. From now means after 15 years. After 15 years. Similar. From now. Okay. Ravi becomes plus 15 years. That much, no? Okay. Ravi is now X years. After 15 years from now, he becomes Ravi plus 15 years. Ravi plus 15 years. Okay. Ravi plus 15 years. Okay. Are you ready? Ravi plus 15 years. Now Ravi is X years. After 15 years from now, he becomes Ravi plus 15 years. Now present age of Ravi is X years. After 15 years, age of Ravi is equals to, what is that? Ravi plus 15. Ravi is X years plus 15. X plus 15. After 15 years, what is he is? Here this diagram is X. So diagram is X plus 15. That is X plus 15 years. So what is the condition? 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Okay. 4 times his present age. Means 15 years from now means X plus 15. From now. Now it means is equals to. Now means is equals to. Now means is equal to 15 years from now. And Ippaninchi, Ravi age will be 4 times his present age. Is equals to 4 times. 4 times means multiplication into his present age. Okay. Multiplication into his present age. What is present age? X years. Okay. This is multiplication. Just write like this, otherwise give point. Okay. That is X plus 15 is equals to 4x. Now transpose. Write here and write this equation like this. This is called as transpose. Okay. It will be transpose means it will be like this. 4x is equals to x plus 15. X plus 15. 4x equals to x plus 15. Now let's send x here. Okay. Why? Because here is hero. He is also hero plus villain. So both heroes should be fit one together. That's why heroes once. India. Okay. 4x minus x is equals to 15. 3x is equals to 15. With here plus, it goes here becomes minus. So 3x equals to 15. Then x is equals to 15 by 3. 3 ones, 3 5s. So x is equals to 5 years. X equals to 5 years. X equals to 5 years. Therefore, the present age of Ravi is 5 years. What is the present age of Ravi is? Present age of Ravi is 5 years. Okay. Next. A rational number is such that when it is multiplied by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you will get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? We don't know what is, we don't know rational number. But rational numbers are in the form of P by Q. Okay. In first chapter it is there. Let the, if not write this, rational number. Rational number. Rational number is x by y. We don't know the rational number x by y. Let us write x by y. Rational number is x by y. Rational number is such that when it is multiplied by 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 means rational number into 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product. For this it is adding 2 by 3 for the product. For this total it is adding 2 by 3. So for this total I am adding plus 2 by 3. Then you will get answer is minus 7 by 12. So it will be minus 7 by 12. Okay. Minus 7 by 12. We don't know rational number. Rational number is in the form of P by Q. That's why I am taking x by y into multiply by 5 by 2. Multiply by 5 by 2. So multiply by 5 by 2. X by y into 5 by 2. And add 2 by 3 to the product. For this total, this is called as product. The total is called product. This total is called as product. For this, I am adding 2 by 3. You will get minus 7 by 2. Now multiply. X into 5 by y is 5 into x, 5x plus 2 into y, 2y. So 5x by 2y. Okay, for this I am adding 2 by 3. Your getting answer is minus 7 by 12. Here x by y numbers. Here 5 compare number sign, variables. Here only numbers. Let's send this to here. Plus means it becomes minus. Then 5x by 2y is equals to minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. LCM. Do perform LCM here. The numbers are not equal. LCM. Go with LCM. 3, 12, 3. 3 ones, 3 fours. So again 4. Ones. 3 into 4 is equals to 12. Okay. LCM is 12. So into 4 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. Next 5x by 2y is equals to minus 7 minus 8 by 12. Okay, minus 7 minus 8 by 12. Okay, then 5x by 2y is equals to minus 15 by 12. 15 by 12. Okay, 15 by 12. Now I am writing this separately. 5 by 12, 5 by 2, okay, means 5 ones, 5 threes, 2 ones, 2 6. You can gather like this. Okay, 5 ones, 5 threes, 2 ones, 2 6. So x by y is equals to minus 3 by 6 once, twice. Therefore, x by y is equals to minus 1 by 2. So this is a rational number. Therefore, rational number is rational number is equals to x by y, that is minus 1 by 2. Okay, are you getting? This is a rational number. I hope you got this.